Alright guys, I just made the best video with Thumper in it. That's my best video ever. Now Thumper might get another video. We just need to try doing something. He's just laying down now. Guys, ready? Alright, look at him. He's normal now. But wait.
Where's his money ball? He likes that ball.
His money ball? I don't know where that is. Guys, we're just looking for his money ball right now. He loves money and he loves... no, that would have sounded wrong, but... oh, look it, guys, look it.
Get it. Go over there and get it, Son, a Thumper.
Thumper. Oh, guys, he almost caught it in midair.
Ready, Thumper? Why are you hiding?
Why are you hiding, man? Thumper.
You playing with me yesterday.
Look, you can kind of see his tail sticking out right there.
Because he thinks he's going to get in trouble. He's used to getting in trouble.
Let me just move the laundry basket then. Just kick it somewhere. Thumper. What? When he swings his tail back and forth, that means he's angry. Sorry guys, this video's not as good as the other one, but I'm trying to get him here. It might be. Thumper. Good bud. Oh man, guys, I'm sorry.
He don't want to play no more.
He don't want to play
He's
no more.
tired.
He's like, you know what? Let me just get a treat. What the heck?
Getting dressed?
Yeah.
What? Alright, sorry about that lame video, guys. Ooh, there's the other ugly cat, Lucy.
Come, me and Mimi are walking.